Hello everyone, welcome to Moving Violations. I'm Russ LeBlanc, NEC consultant for ECNM Magazine. Uh-oh, that looks like a broken ground prong stuck in that receptacle in there. Look at that. I don't know how you're going to be able to plug anything into that receptacle. And also, that receptacle is not a weather-resistant type as required by 406.9b1. And then we have this UF cable coming out of the ground with absolutely no physical protection. I would say this is a violation of 340.12. Number 10 prohibits UF from being installed where it's subject to physical damage. And I would absolutely think that that could get damaged here. Let's open this up. Let's check out that ground prong if we can. Oh yeah, look at that. You're not going to be able to plug anything in there. And this is a violation of 110.12b. We've got some broken parts adversely affecting the safe operation of this equipment.